3, 2, 1, 0. We have commit. We have lift.
And step off the limb now. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
In July 1969, humanity took its first steps of another world. The mission was called Apollo 11. For the first time in history, a human being stood on the surface of the moon, a silent world floating above our planet. But that moment revealed something profound. The moon is not just a distant object in our night sky. It's part of a cosmic partnership, a gravitational bond that has shaped the destiny of Earth for billions of years. And yet, something extraordinary is happening. The moon is slowly drifting away from us. The moon does not orbit Earth in a perfect circle. Its path is slightly elliptical, a delicate gravitational dance governed by physics. At one point of its orbit, the moon reaches perigee, the moment when it's closest to Earth. But on the opposite side of this journey, the moon reaches apogee, the point where it drifts farthest away, closer, and then farther. This rhythmic motion has repeated itself for billions of years. But over time, the balance is slowly changing. Every year, the moon moves slightly farther from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters, a distance so small that we would never notice it in a lifetime. But over millions of years, it becomes enormous. In the distant past, the moon was much closer to Earth. The tides were stronger, days were shorter, and our planet spanned faster beneath the sky. The moon has been slowly retreating ever since, pulled away by the very gravity that binds it to us. But the moon does something far more important than simply lighting our nights. It stabilizes the Earth itself. Our planet spins with a tilt of about 23.5 degrees. This tilt gives us seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. But without the moon, this tilt would not remain stable. The gravitational pull of the moon acts like a stabilizing force, a silent guardian, keeping Earth's axis from wandering chaotically. If the moon were much further away, Earth's axial tilt could begin to change dramatically. Sometimes the planet might tilt only a few degrees. Other times, it could tilt more than 60 degrees. Entire continents could swing from frozen darkness to scorching sunlight. Climate patterns would become unpredictable. Ice ages could come and go with terrifying speed. At first, life would adapt, but as instability grows, ecosystems will collapse, agriculture will become unreliable, growing seasons would shift unpredictably, entire regions could lose the ability to produce food. Not an extinction event, but something equally devastating. Global famine, millions, perhaps billions, at risk of starvation. Fortunately, this is not something humanity will face anytime soon. The moon's retreat is incredibly slow. It will take hundreds of millions of years before its distance truly begins to destabilize Earth. But the process has already begun. Right now, as you watch this, the moon is drifting further away, millimeters by millimeters, year after year. The moon has been Earth's companion for over 4 billion years. It shaped our tides, stabilized our climate, and perhaps even helped life emerge. But nothing in the universe remains unchanged. Even this ancient partnership is slowly coming apart. One day, far in the future, the moon will appear smaller in the sky. The tides will weaken, and Earth may become a very different world. For now, we look up at the moon, unaware that our silent companion is slowly saying goodbye.